Hello everyone. Tonight we're going to have a very quick video because I've been given feedback that I'm rather cheonghae and rather long-winded. So let's do this. This is for on quadratic manipulation again. So here we go. So 2 questions tonight. I think you can pause the videos and read it. Read the questions on your own. And yes, so this is how we do this. Okay, so question A. Question A asks us, express in terms of x the number of donuts made by machine A in a minute. Okay, so in the question they have already said that machine A can make 60 donuts in x minutes. Okay, this is given in the question. Okay, so how many donuts can A make in 1 minute? Okay, so number of donuts made by machine A in 1 minute equals to 60 divided by x. Okay, so in the same light, this is this is A part 1. A part 2, machine B, same thing. You're looking at the question, says it makes 135 donuts in 2x minus 1 minutes. So number of donuts made by machine B in 1 minute is 135 over x, 2x minus 1. Okay, so these are the answers very quickly to A part 1 and part 2. Okay, now question B, form an equation and show that it reduces to 9x squared minus 47x plus 10. You can look at the question. How do you form the equation? Okay, so you have, what you have here is machine A makes 60 over x donuts a minute. Machine B, this shouldn't be an equals there. Okay, machine B has 135 over 2x minus 1. This is how many donuts they can make in a minute. Next clue in the question that says the 2 machines can make 27 donuts altogether in 1 minute. Okay, so together 60 over x plus 135 over 2x minus 1. This is what each machine can make. You are adding up what each machine can make in 1 minute equals to 27. Okay, so this is all a matter of making everything into a common base. In this case would be 62x minus 1 plus 135x equals to 27x 2x minus 1. Okay, and then you expand out 120x minus 60 plus 135x equals to 54x squared minus 27x, and then you shift everything to one side. Okay, 54x squared minus 282x plus 60 equals to 0, and then you just divide everything by 6. Divide the whole equation throughout by 6. You get 9x squared minus 47x plus 10 equals to 0, shown. Okay, and this is how you do question B. Okay, B. Question C, very quickly, they ask you to solve the equation that you have just shown. 9x squared minus 47x plus 10 equals to 0. There is no straightforward way we can do this. Okay, so let's say this A equals to 9, B equals to minus 47, C equals to 0. We're going to use the B squared minus 4AC method. So x equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So b is minus 47 is 47 plus minus the square root of 47 squared minus 4 times a times 0 over 18. Okay, and you get the answer is 5 or 2 over 9, and that's how you solve question C. Okay, so once again, if you are having trouble so far, please pause the video and push the slider back to where you need. Okay, so we have done A, B, and C. Now D, find the time that machine A needs to make donuts. Okay, makes 90 donuts. So so we had two numbers over here. Sorry, I think I missed a step in question C. Part C, we need to reject the second answer. Okay, the reason why we need to reject the second answer is because in the question we have x more than 1. So because x is more than 1, we have to reject the value 2 over 9. Okay, so x equals to 5. So how long does machine A takes to make 90 donuts? So we know that machine A, this is part D now. Okay, machine A makes 60 over x donuts in a minute. Since x equals to 5, okay, since x equals to 5, machine A makes 60 over 5 equals to 12 donuts in a minute. Okay, so you want to look for how long does it take, what's the time taken, for it to make 90 donuts. Time taken, okay, so you want 90 donuts over 12 donuts a minute, you get 7.5 minutes. And there, and that's how we do this question. Okay, moving on to question 17. The first question, 17A, a hot water tap delivers water at X liters per minute. Express the time taken in minutes to fill up the bathtub. We know that the bathtub capacity of the bathtub is 1,200 liters. So time taken is basically 1,200 over X, which is this is the time taken, 1,200 over X minutes. And this is straightforward. A. B, a cold water tap delivers water at X plus 10 liters per minute. Express the time taken in minutes to fill the tub. Okay, so in this case, the rate is, instead of X, is X plus 10. So it's 1,200 over X plus 10 minutes. Because 1,200 is the capacity, and then X plus 10 is the rate of which water is being filled into bathtub. Okay, so question C. Now, the hot water tap alone takes 4 minutes longer to fill the bathtub than the cold water tap. Write down equation in X and show that it simplifies to the following. Okay, so that means the hot water tap takes 4 minutes longer. So this is the time taken for the hot water tap. Okay, and then it takes 4 minutes longer. So you deduct the time taken that the cold water tap needs to fill the bathtub, and it's 4 minutes. So similar to question 16, we're gonna do making all the base constant, making all the base the same. Okay, and then this is what you get, equals to 4x plus 10. Okay, hang on, let me just do it all out. Squared plus 40x. Okay, bringing everything to one side. It's really hot tonight. So I'm struggling without the aircon and the fan. Okay, so we get this by bringing to everything one side, and then we divide the whole equation by 4, throughout by 4. 3,000, if I'm not wrong. Yes. Equals to 0, and then we have it shown over here. Okay, so similar question, similar way to solve the questions from 16 and 17 so far. The next question, solve the equation. Oh, this is pretty much the same, okay, as question 16. Sorry, 10x minus 3,000 equals to 0. Okay, x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. A equals to 1, b equals to 10, and c equals to 3,000. Okay. Oh, this is going, no, c is minus 3,000, I'm sorry. C is minus 3,000. So x equals to minus 10 plus minus the square root of 10 squared minus 4ac minus 3,000. Okay, over 2a. you calculate all the way in, you get 50 or minus 60. Okay, for obvious reasons, we need to reject minus 60 because x refers to the number of liters per minute. So obviously it cannot be a negative number if let's say we're looking at x per minute. Okay, so this is x equals to 50 in this case. Finally, find the time taken by the cold water tap to fill the tub. Looking at 17a, the time taken for the cold water tap, it is 1200 over 50 x plus 10. Okay, so this is part E. So we recall that the time taken for the cold water tap is 1200 over x plus 10. You sub in x equals to 50. Okay, so time taken is 1200 over 50 plus 10. 1200 over 60. You get 20 minutes. And that is how you do question 17. Once again, this video is done mainly for my students who are sitting for the exams at the end of the year. I do welcome comments, and I do hope that this video helps you in some way. Alright everyone, thank you very much for your attention. Wishing you all a good night. Thank you. Bye bye.